Duffel bag, backseat.
This video is for helping stop diaper digging and different strategies that we can use to help kids who are digging in diapers or potentially doing things where they're accessing fecal matter. So this is one video in a large playlist, so please click through all the strategies to see which one works for your child. Now, sometimes in relation to garments that you're putting on your child, if you can locate a zip-up garment that you can put on your child backwards, okay, and then zip it up, this can be a lifesaver, okay? So for kids who are very masterful at getting through the onesie, very masterful at getting through the onesie with the pants, or just very masterful at manipulating pants, having a full suit zip-up outfit with zippers in the back can be very successful. So doing this can just completely block access because they can't unzip from the back in terms of getting into the diaper area. So if you haven't tried this, it's oftentimes a last resort. Sometimes I see a lot of families making their own clothing when it comes down to this so that they can make cute and fun outfits that have back zippers. So depending on your style and how you dress your child, you may want to experiment with some of that because I've seen people make adorable onesie back zip outfits. So if you definitely need more support and your child is getting through typical clothing layers, give this one a try and see if it helps.
You're a drive real slow.